Hi guys, it's Dee and welcome to Dee's Yard. Today I am very excited to share with you this awesome new line of Dwarf Buddleia called Butterfly Candy. In this new line there are 5 unique flower colors: Little Coconut, a soft white; Little Taffy, a light bubblegum pink; Little Raspberry, a deeper but gorgeous pink; Little Lavender, a softer purple; and then the color I opted for and think I love the most, although it is very hard to choose, Lil Grape, a deeper purple. I absolutely love these Dwarf Buddleia and I'm very excited to be adding Lil Grape to my garden. This plant reblooms from spring to summer and into fall, and it is very pollinator friendly, attracting all the bees and butterflies. They only get 2 to 3 feet tall and wide, which allows this compact butterfly bush to fit anywhere in the garden, and also makes for a perfect fit for container planting. They are hardy in zones 5 through 10, so almost everyone can grow them, and they require full sun. Butterfly candy are easy to care for, and they are drought tolerant once established. Plant in well-drained soil, water them in well, and check on them during their first season to ensure the soil doesn't get too dry. Prune them back in the late winter, early spring, and apply organic slow-release fertilizer in the spring. Right next to Lil Grape, I have some Sweetie Pie Dianthus that are just coming out of their first flush of blooms, but I absolutely love how these colors pair together. Behind the Dianthus is a Bayou Bliss Distillium that was previously known as Jewel Box Distillium. It did get damaged during the Arctic blast we had in December, but it is recovering. Behind them in the back is a Early Bird White Crepe Myrtle. Then there's a little Lime Hydrangea. And just coming into bloom right now is this Pink Lemonade Baptisia. The tree I have is a Spring Glory Serviceberry. And in the back there's an Onyx and Pearl Penstemon and a Little Joker 9-bark that is just in bloom. I also have some Daylilies and Bee Balm that are just coming up. I'm really loving how this area is shaping out, and I truly love the addition of the Lil Grape Buddleia. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye guys.